To access voice recorder from your lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable voice recorder option on your lock screen. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap widget. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on offset next to voice recorder until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how it works, go to your lock screen. Tap the clock. You can see that your phone is now displaying voice recorder on your lock screen. Tap record button to start voice recording. Given to the function, you can do this if you like to be able to do voice recording without you have to unlock the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.